Hello. Now, here's the next video. We'll have the Scratch Cat chase the mouse. So let's call it Cat and Mouse. And again, this project is for beginners. So let's name our cat Cat. Right here is where you can name it. Technically, you could name it Bob, Bon, I guess, or Eeyore, whatever you want. I'm gonna call it Scratchy. No, Scratchy. There. Now, Scratchy's hungry. So, let's get another sprite. So this is where all our sprites come from. All these nice sprites. They also have categories, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters. We actually don't want this stuff. We want mouse. There, our mouse. And let's just call him Mouse. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but in real games, it will matter. Let's keep both costumes and make it so Mouse on start. This is when we click the flag, or when we start the game. Forever means like it will do it until the game ends. Or, yeah, like that. But anyways, let's make it so, go into here. Let's make it so the mouse goes to the mouse pointer. There. Now watch. You know what would make it a bit more interesting? Point in direction, block. So this will make it so it points in a certain direction. But what if I made it so it points in direction of Scratchy? This is one block we could use, but then that would be kind of weird because look at this. Look at that. Odd enough it's not doing that. Maybe because it's going to the mouse pointer, or it's been... weird. Anyways, we'll just continue this. Now, let's make it go into the Scratchy, and now put on start, forever. Point towards, not mouse pointer, mouse. I mean, you could do mouse pointer. Then, depending on how fast we run, set to 5. Now watch. Doesn't that look a bit weird, however, because he's going backwards. So let's change things a bit. Let's make it so, set rotation style. This will make it so he won't go look all crazy and stuff. Either left and right or don't rotate. I'm gonna do left and right. Now look, doesn't that look a bit better? Yes. Now, one final touch. Make this more like a game. First, we want it to make it so the Scratchy goes to 0, 0. There. That's done. And now, let's make it so the mouse goes right here. You could also you can write in 15Y 136. So 0, 0, look, is the middle. Let me see how middle I can get it. It's really hard to get precisely at 0, 0 unless I put in 0, 0. Look, that's the middle. Exactly the middle of the screen. Okay, now let's make it so if touching mouse, then we'll make it say I caught you Now, let's make it so finally, stop all. Okay, now, okay. Now let's try it. You know one way to make the mouse look cooler? Let's make the mouse do the same thing as the Scratch Cat. Here, let me do this. Except, I know, we can make it so he turns. So actually, we don't need that. Let's make it so, go to mouse pointer, and it points toward the mouse pointer. This will look quite interesting. Let's check his rotations. I'll set it to that. Oh, don't rotate's not gonna make it do that. Oh, he caught us. Nice. Now, I shall give you a tour of these fine blocks. Now, these are motion, blocks that make us move and go to places and stuff like that. This is looks, where we make it so they can talk, they switch their costumes and stuff like that. And we can even make it so they change color. Then we have all these sound effects. And then these are events, like when a bunch of whens and stuff. And then this is kind of more wait, repeat, forever, if, loops type thing. Yeah. And sensing is a bit more special. We also want to save our project. So now let's go down here. These are variables. We won't be using these for a while. And that's the end. Thanks for watching.